Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Yasin Muhammad Al-Gahri. I am in grade 4A. Today I am going to talk about endangered species. Endangered species, a type of animal or plant that might stop existing because there are only a few of that type alive. The giant panda. Large number of giant panda bears once lived in China. Pandas eat bamboo. When people began to cut down the bamboo forests, the panda couldn't find enough to eat. Today, pandas are endangered. Brown pelican faced extinction in 1970. It has recovered along the U.S. Atlantic coast. Elsewhere, it is still endangered. Scientists are trying to prevent the extinction of panda bears. Large areas of land in China are preserved for pandas to live. Now panda cubs are born in these protected places.